Welcome to certificate course in vermicompost technology organized by Department of Zoology. Today we are taking different schemes of vermicomposting. So depending upon the availability of organic waste and requirement, any of the following schemes can be adopted for vermicomposting. For convenience, whole process is divided into two steps, that is maintenance of vermicomposting bed and collection of vermicompost. So we first taking vermicomposting beds. So preparation of vermicomposting beds after necessary pre-test and selection of species is done. This is one of the most important aspects of whole program. Steps for different schemes are as follows. Number 1. Available selected container should be cleaned at bottom. 2 to 3 inches thick layer of any biodegradable matter is laid. Over this layer, 2 to 3 inches thick layer of partially digested and powdered cow dung is put. This material is bedding is sufficiently moistened and then live earthworms are gently released over it. A box of 1 meter by 1 meter by 0.5 meter can hold 1000 to 1500 worms, which requires about 30 to 40 kg of organic matter. So this is diagram of vermicomposting bed, is diagrammatical representation. So at the bottom of the container, biodegradable material is placed in 2 to 3 inches layer. Above this, partly digested and powdered cow dung is placed 2 to 3 inches layer. It is water and then earthworm are released. Then above this, at the top, any organic material is placed. It is about 5 to 9 inches layer, and this whole material is covered by moist gunny bag. Then a second scheme, in container, dung and other materials are thoroughly mixed, watered and allowed to partial digestion for 2 to 3 weeks in a layer of 20 to 35 centimeter thick. On this, earthworms are released and covered with a moist gunny bag. Third scheme, in container, at bottom 1 inch thick layer of fine sand is laid. Over this, 2 to 3 inches thick layer sawdust is laid, which is covered with a thin layer of soil. Watered and earthworms are released. The material is then covered with a moist gunny bag. So it takes little more time because this sawdust takes time for digestion. Then number 4, if container is not available, vermicomposting can be done on ground. For this, ground is leveled and soil platform is made. Depending on availability of space and compostable organic waste, the size of platform is made. It is generally 3 feet wide and 20 to 50 feet long. Over the platform, a feed layer of 9 inches partly digested feed is spread. After watering, live earthworms are released. Finally, more layers of pre-treated waste matter can also be put. It is again covered with broad leaves. Then fifth scheme, in another variation, layers in semicircle can be made in the same manner as in the previous one. Then sixth scheme, rectangular or circular pits of dimension as per requirement can be made, and vermicomposting process can be taken up by any of the described methods. Then vermicomposting efficiency, a bed of 1 meter by 1 meter by 0.5 meter requires 30 to 40 kg of bedding and feed materials. This can support 1000 to 1500 earthworms, which would multiply and compose the matter from upper layers. So upper layers of organic matter should be periodically replenished. From the top layer, accumulating cast should be removed as it reduces vermic activity and reproduction. Whole organic matter gradually get decomposed by vermic activities and matter is converted into vermicompost. Initially, first lot of vermicompost is ready within 60 to 70 days. 1 kg of earthworms, nearly 1000 adult worms would produce 10 kg of cast in 60 to 70 days. In collection of vermicompost, when vermicompost and vermicasting are ready for collection, top layers appear somewhat dark brown, granular, and look like dry tea leaves. Watering should then be stopped for 2 to 3 days and gently compost should be scraped from top layer. Top layers replenish after removal of vermicompost. This should be this should then removed to a side and left undisturbed for 6 to 24 hours. If there are adult worms present, these would move away from the composted matter. The vermicompost should be stocked separately in bags. For commercialization, vermicompost should be packed in bags of marketable quantity. Pricing of vermicompost can be done as per expenditure. It is about vermicompost bed maintenance and collection of vermicompost. Thank you very much.